In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Kindle lock screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase a very simple method that allows you to change the cover screen on your Kindle to any image that you would like to use. So this method will work on any Kindle model. You don't need to do a lot of modification. All that you will be doing is creating the cover. So if you want to make a custom one, you will be able to create it yourself, convert the file, and then send to your Kindle, where it will be used as the cover screen. Keep in mind that for this method, like I said, you don't need anything special. If you want to always have the same cover, customizable, you will need a jailbroken Kindle. This method relies on this setting here available when you go over to Settings under the Device Options. Show Cover. This will display the cover of the book that you are currently reading on the lock screen. So essentially what we're going to be doing is creating a book that has the custom cover that we want to use. Then when you open that book and you leave it there and you go into the lock screen, it will use the cover of the book that you created. So all that you have to do is first convert the image to an EPUB file. So grab your cover. It can be on any format, but ideally PNG, and then look for the Convertio PNG to EPUB converter. Just search for this on Google, and the first website should be Convertio. Once you convert the cover that you've made to an EPUB file, the next thing to do is to look for this website, onlineconverter.com. So search for Change EPUB Cover. So input the EPUB file that you've made, the cover file, and then you can leave these on auto here. Click Convert. Now, you will get an EPUB file that has the cover attached to it. Finally, look for the Send to Kindle website. In here, load the EPUB file that you've made, and you will be able to send it to your Kindle. So make sure that this option is ticked to add to your library, and then send it over to your Kindle. Once you receive the wallpaper on your Kindle, it will appear on your library, and all that you have to do is open it up. Open that specific EPUB file that you've made, and then lock the screen. Because you've enabled this option that shows the cover of the book that you are currently reading, it will display the cover of the EPUB file that you've made, which means that it is going to be the custom file that you want to see on the lock screen. Of course, if you are reading something else and it locks the Kindle eventually, it will show that book cover instead. But I still recommend this method over something like jailbreaking your Kindle because it is easy to do and you can still customize it according to your preferences. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Kindle lock screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.